Hey traders, so I lost my 50k funded account with Leveraged. It's a sad story, but it is true. This happens to every single trader who has been into prop firms. You guys know how much I love this prop firm. You guys know how much I have shown you about Leveraged on the channel. And you guys have even seen the payout that I have actually processed from Leveraged. You've seen my trading journey with Leveraged, from passing phase 1, passing phase 2, and becoming a senior portfolio manager. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I breached my account. And I was trading the one candlestick strategy, but I ended up breaching my account. I'll tell you guys why and how I actually ended up breaching my account while I was trading that strategy. And probably this is going to help you also when you're trading with a funded account next time, so that you can be able to take this as a blueprint that can help you be able to pass your account without making the same mistake. So if that is something you like, please don't skip the video. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you make up your mind and you want to trade with a prop firm, you want to get funded, make sure you use the link in the description. Sign up with Leverage, go and buy an account. I have a discount code that is also in the description of the video that you can use and get started trading with Leverage. I have also got another 50k account with Leverage, which I'm trading at the moment. I am in drawdown, surprisingly. With the new account, I'm also in drawdown. I'll show you all that in the dashboard. So stick around, guys. Let us watch this together and let us learn from this. So let's go onto the screen and let us get started. All right, members, so before I show you guys my account, my dashboard, and show you the account that I breached, let me just show you some of the features that Leveraged has to offer. Guys, these prop firms that I'm actually introducing to are the ones I'm also trading. Some of you guys only want me to show you one candlestick strategy videos, this and that, this and that. That is what your eyes really want to see. But I want to tell you today that once you see a video from me, just know that that video is packed with value. It is something that I am doing to be helpful to you guys, my community, because I want you to grow the same way that I'm also growing, okay? Because if I only show you strategy video, and that is what you are watching, you are not going to benefit from the strategy if you don't know how to implement it in the real market, which is trading with a prop firm. That is if you don't have enough funding, because I know most of you guys don't have enough funding. Out of all of you guys who are watching me, who are around 45,000 subscribers, right? I can tell you that 99% of you guys cannot afford to deposit $100,000 on your personal trading account. That is why I endeavor to show you guys prop firms that I'm trading with that are legit, that I'm also using to scale my own capital. So it is very important when I bring up a video here showing you guys a prop firm, guys, engage with it, start your journey and get active. Don't just sit on the sidelines and watch while other people are actually scaling their capital. And one of those prop firms that has been outstanding, guys, is this prop firm right here, Leverage. This prop firm here is here to stay and paying out traders in a very short time. Less than 2 days you get your payout, right? So let me show you guys the products they have. So they have account types which are turbo trade. Here they have turbo trade. What this means is that you get started with as little as $8.88. Then you can pay the rest later. Most of you guys can afford $8.88, right? So if you can't afford $8.88, you are actually wasting your time trying to trade or trying to learn to trade, because this amount of money is very small, right? So you can just pay $8.88 and then you can get started and pass your prop firm challenge. If you pass the challenge, you can then pay the full amount later once you have passed the challenge. That's what that means. The profit target here would be 6% for the overall, and then the daily loss is 3%, maximum drawdown is 6%, profit split is 80%, and it's just a one-step challenge. There is no time limit to this. So you can just start with $8.88 for all account sizes. It doesn't matter what account size you choose. Even if you choose a 200k account, it is still $8.88. You only pay the full amount once you have passed the challenge. For example, if you got a 50k account. You will pay $8.88 once you pass your phase 1, which is just one single phase. You will pay the remaining amount, which is $340 afterward. So guys, you can get started using the link in the description, and then you can get started doing this, right? You get your payout within a very short time through Revolt, debit card, bank transfers, and then crypto. You can see they have all methods to help you get your payout as quickly as possible. As for me, last time I showed you guys that I got my payout through crypto, and it came very fast. You guys know that, and you guys who watched that video can attest to that. So they have this turbo trade, but also they have crypto right here, which they just introduced. Leveraged crypto. You can now trade crypto. You can trade 100 plus cryptocurrencies. For all of you guys who trade crypto, you can now trade crypto with leveraged platform. Instead of you just trading one asset class, you can diversify and trade also crypto with this platform right here. You can also get started using the link in the description, and you'll get a discount coupon right there in the description of this video. So that is for crypto traders. And then they have the sprint challenge, which is the most famous one, which was the one people were trading to go to the World Cup. And guys, one person was able to win that ticket to the World Cup, which had a price of $20,000 with it. So you can see this is the leveraged sprint. You can get started from as little as $49, and then you are on your way to getting funded. This one is a sprint challenge, which means you can trade an account up to $100,000. It is only one phase. The daily drawdown is 1%. It's a very tight drawdown, and you get your withdrawal instantly, your first withdrawal. You can start from $49 and you have a maximum drawdown of 1%. News trading is allowed. Profit target is only 2%. So if you trade within 1 hour and you make 2% of your account, you are already funded. And then if you make profit on that funded account within the next few hours, you can actually request for your payout that same day. This sprint challenge here is a fast-paced challenge which allows you to get funded today, get your payout today. That is what the sprint challenge is all about. And you can see here, these are the prices. They start from $10,000 all the way to $100,000. This is what you get with leveraged when you sign up using the link in the description of this video. Now members, without wasting time, let me take you onto my dashboard, and then we discuss what has happened. So you guys can see here, I breached my funded senior portfolio manager account, which was a 50k account. I did breach this account right here. As you can see on top, I breached that account. You can see here, I reached my daily drawdown. Now, I was using, yes, the one candlestick strategy here, but the mistake that I made that I want you guys to learn from is not setting a stop loss. I forgot to set a stop loss because I had something that was coming up really fast. So I really forgot about adding a stop loss after I've taken a trade. I added a stop loss on just 3 of the running trades, but I left actually 2 positions open. I did add a stop loss to them. So those 2 positions which were running ended up pushing the account too much into a loss, and then I breached the daily drawdown. So the account was breached and I lost this 50k funded account. To ask a question, did the one candlestick strategy fail me? No, it did not fail me. What failed me was risk management, and that is why I always emphasize, guys, that risk management is key if you want to actually make it in the prop trading space. You must make sure you are managing your risk very well. But that is not the end of the journey, because I have got another 50k account. As you can see, I'm on simulation phase. So what I'm looking at here, or what you are seeing here, is me trading this 50k account. I just started it on the 20th of July. Right, as you can see up here, it's active, and right now I am currently in drawdown. Right, I took some losses, as you guys can see. I took some many losses here for a start, so I'm currently in drawdown. Right, as you can see here, I have an equity of 47,729, so that is a very low equity. Right, so what I need to do is to recover from this drawdown and then pass this senior portfolio manager account phase 1, then go on to phase 2 which is 8%. So for leveraged, this senior portfolio manager, which is like the standard 2-step challenge for all the pro firms, this one here, it is switched. Instead of getting 8% phase 1 then 5% phase 2, it is 5% phase 1 then 8% phase 2. So you can also get started with the same account using the link in the description of the video. If you don't want to do the sprint challenge, the turbos challenge and all that, you can just trade this normal one, the 2-step challenge. Just use the link in the description, go and then you choose the classic account type. So let's look at some of the tools that Leveraged gives you. You get AI market analysis, which you can see right here. They give you some trading setups right here. Remember that it's not financial advice. They're just showing you possible setups, right? Do your own analysis. Don't rely on these. Make sure you are not following this as financial advice, right? So you can see right here, you see there are setups which are given here right on your dashboard. The reason why Leverage does this is because they want you as a trader to succeed. And that is why I love Leverage so much. It's one of the pro firms that I actually love. And I am trading with them continuously. You guys have seen I've been with Leverage for quite some time because they are a good pro firm. They want you to pass. On top of that, you also get the news sentiment right here, which you can also use as a trader to be able to manage your risk and see how you can take your setups. You can see here GBP JPY has a 60% positive score, which means this is buying. Okay, it is a bullish trend. As you can see, most of them, they show you all the pairs here which are actually having positive and negative sentiment, right? Now here you can see you get also a risk calculator which you can use to calculate your risks to avoid over trading, which I did, right? You can see you can get a risk calculator here right in your dashboard, which can allow you to calculate your risk. Also, you have fundamental analysis right here. This fundamental analysis, it will be able to tell you, okay, this is what is happening, this is what is going on, and to show you the targets and all that. This is all given to you by Leveraged as a tool for you to be able to pass your challenge, stay funded, and get your payouts. They also have an academy here whereby you can go to courses. You can see, then you can start reading here, risk management blueprint, first steps in trading, and all that. You can also look at market reviews in the academy right here. Then you can go and watch all this or read all this, and you'll be on your way to being a funded trader with Leverage. Guys, use the link in the description, sign up with Leverage today and get started with your funding journey. I'll be updating you in the next video on how I am going to be passing this challenge right here, which I have taken on. All right, so stay tuned. Make sure you use the link in the description, sign up with Leverage and get started. I will also be showing you guys in the next videos how to trade the 1 candlestick strategy using risk management that I have now gotten to learn, right? Through the hard time of losing my funded account. I learned a technique that I will share with you in the next video. So please stay tuned and also show some support, guys. I need to see you guys engaging, right? I need to see you engaging with these videos. Share this video, like this video, use the link in the description, use the discount code, and make sure you get that discount and get started on your funded journey. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace and out.